Assalamu alaikum, let me introduce myself. My name is Fidela Caroline from Class Management C with NPM 234110098. In this video, I will explain the material about samples. Sample in research methodology. In research methodology, a sample is a subset of the population selected to represent the entire population. Due to limitations in time, budget, and resources, it is often impractical to study the entire population. Therefore, sampling is used to draw conclusions about the population efficiently. The sample chosen should accurately reflect the characteristics of the population, allowing the results to be generalized. There are two main types of sampling techniques: probability sampling and non-probability sampling. Probability sampling. In probability sampling, every element of the population has an equal chance of being selected. This technique produces more representative samples and allows for statistical analysis. Examples of probability sampling include simple random sampling. Every individual in the population has an equal chance of being selected. Stratified random sampling. The population is divided into strata subgroups, and samples are randomly selected from each stratum to ensure better representation. Cluster sampling. The population is divided into clusters, and several clusters are randomly chosen, with all members of the selected clusters included in the sample. Non-probability sampling. In non-probability sampling, not every member of the population has an equal chance of being selected. This technique is often used when probability sampling is difficult or impractical. Some examples of non-probability sampling include convenience sampling. Samples are chosen based on ease of access, such as selecting individuals who are easy to reach. Judgmental sampling. The researcher selects samples based on their judgment about which individuals represent the population. Snowball sampling. Samples are selected based on referrals from previous participants, often used when the population is hard to access. Sample size. The sample size is critical to the accuracy and reliability of research results. Larger samples tend to reduce error and better reflect the population, but they also require more resources. Determining an appropriate sample size involves considering the variability of the population, the desired confidence level, e.g., 95%, the acceptable margin of error, the expected response rate. Statistical formulas or software can help calculate the optimal sample size for a study. Sampling errors. Sampling errors occur when the sample does not perfectly reflect the population. There are two main types. Systematic errors. These are consistent biases introduced by the sampling method, such as only selecting individuals from a specific location or group. Random errors. These are due to chance variations and typically decrease as the sample size increases. Conclusion. Sampling is a foundational component of research methodology that allows researchers to study populations in a manageable and scientifically valid way. The choice of sampling method, along with careful consideration of sample size and potential errors, significantly influences the quality of the research. A well-designed sample ensures that the results are valid, reliable, and applicable to the larger population, making it an essential aspect of successful research.